Hey guys, Rhino here. So for this recovery, we came to Bloomington. As you can see, we are up in the hill. Down there, that's the wash. You've seen me do many recoveries on this. All of that right there, all the greenery, all of this, that's the wash right there. Goes all the way over there. Anyway, so we're here because we're gonna be recovering a Rav4. Check this out. So we got Alfredo and George here. We're getting ready. We're gonna be pulling it out, and I'll keep recording once we start. Let's see if it steers. No steering? Okay, well, good thing we brought the OG dolly.
Right now, it's not going anywhere, right? You can put it in.
All right, so it looks like it's on neutral. So we should be able to, it should be able to roll. But the steering wheel is completely locked, so. All right, let's get going. Come on. Déjate. A ver si no se suelta y me voy de filo yo para abajo. Okay, so it has this little hook, but it doesn't seem to be strong enough or wide enough for this hook or shackle. So we strapped it to the frame very much. So we'll see. So the line's gonna hit the rock twice. So we're gonna be using the mat and try to prevent, any issues. Okay, so I think I need to move it a little bit more. More like that. There it is. So.
Voy a poner el mío wire porque para no tener interferencia, güey.
Está bien, güey. So now we have two lines. And the thing that is worrying me a little bit about is this right here. It has to climb up this rock. So we'll see if we can, pull that off or what. Espérame, güey. All right, let's see. ¿Listo?
2, 3, 1. Déjame ir poquito. No, pero no te... Hazlo re-rig.
Okay.
Se te está cayendo ya en tu llanta.
Es que si lo jalo, yo te jalo para acá, güey.
Sí, está bien, nomás tenemos que brincar la piedra de enfrente. ¿Cómo va la piedra de enfrente?
Ya está pegando con el frame y con la llanta.
¿Pero sí va a rodar para arriba?
Sí, además que seguirle dando a ver.
Ok, 1, 2, 3.
Ahí va para arriba, va para arriba.
Ya que esté más cerquita, me la dejas a mí sola para que empiece a dar para acá.
Dime qué eras. It's raining right now.
Yo pienso que ahí ya freno de mano, güey, y
Sí, dale un poquito más. Ahí está, aguanta. Freno de mano, aguanta. A ver, suéltalo poquito. Suéltalo poquito. Ya le puse el freno de mano. Ahí está. Alright. Ahí está, ahí está. Alright, engage. Okay, handbrake off. Let's see. Dang, that's hard. Okay, anyway.
Cierra la puerta. Pues ya quita tu línea, güey.
Ahorita que la levante más porque está un poco... Ok, dale. Ahí está, aguanta. Aguanta, aguanta, dale, dale. Ahí está. Okay, now that we got them on the right direction, we're getting ready to load it up on the OG dolly. This is the dolly that started it. I copied his design, and I got me a new, the yellow dolly.
This is the original OG tow dolly.
Yes. So anyway, we're gonna be picking it up and driving it down the hill. So hopefully everything will be alright. Last time we tried this with my yellow dolly, the car fell down, and we had a lot more issues. So hopefully this time it'll be smooth. So we'll see. Hold on, I think it has the handbrake on. So as you can see, Alfredo is backing up. We're gonna load it up in reverse, tie it down, and we'll be out of here. So again, thank you guys for watching our videos, and of course, we'll see you next time. Okay, because we don't have any steering ability, it's taking us a little bit longer to load it up on the truck. But look at the rain. It's pouring. And we're still out here getting all wet and whatnot.